Good morning to everybody. Namaskar. Or we'll pray Lord Ganesh for the good health. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. जय जगन्नाथ। सभी को जगन्नाथ जी का आशीर्वाद रहे, सबका स्वास्थ्य अच्छा रहे। टुडे our topic is about the skill development, that is our life skills. In that we'll read today about the function, repairing, dismantling and repairing of this electric press. So students, you know that this is electric press. So first of all we will know how to repair this, how to dismantle and how to reassemble all the things. Before that, we will start how we will know that these are the different parts of the electric press. So this name of the project is about dismantling, fault finding and repairing of electric iron. And our aim is to finding fault and repairing of electric press. For that, you want to know about the different parts of the electric iron. So in this electric iron, you see here, the first part is this. This is the electric iron. So this is handle. This is the handle of the electric iron, and this is the two plates. Two plates. That is, one is the base plate. This is known as base plate of the electric iron, and other is your wet plate and the cover. So in that, inside that, there is our iron element. This is the iron element. You know that this iron element is made up of nichrome strip, and this nichrome strip is insulated by mica piece. So inside that there is mica piece and there are beads, and it insulates this body from this element because you can get shock. So it is insulated. Therefore, it is insulated by mica piece. And this is the handle, and it may be wooden handle, it may be fiber. So this is the fiber, and this is the cord of the electric press. So this is the cord of the electric press. So it may be 2 pin, it may be 3 pin. Here you see it is 3 pin. That is, one is your positive and negative and earth. So there are 3 points in this card. There are 3 points, and next you see here, this, suppose in 2 pin plug there is one cap. So it is tightened by the nut and bolts. So when you are using this electric press, suppose the current is not coming, or if the iron is not heated, so there are many faults. So the different faults are open circuit fault, short circuit fault, earth fault, leakage fault and other faults. So one by one we will read today, and you can repair the electric press, and that comes in our skill development. And if you develop your skills, then automatically your life will develop, and you can also learn and do this, practice this and earn money, or you can save your money from your home. So first we'll read how it is working. Suppose it is not working, so there are many faults, whatever I have discussed here. So for that only, you see, first see what are the different parts of the iron. So different parts of the iron are base plate, wet plate, iron element, wooden handle, porcelain cleats, nut bolt and washers, and insulating material, that is mica pieces and asbestos sheets. So one by one we'll read. Suppose if you are making on, suppose you are making on the irons, and if it is not heated, you see here, suppose it is not heated, and make this on. This is the light is glowing, means the light or the current is coming up to the board. Again, you see here, it is not heated. It is not heated. So you see here, when you are making this, you see here, suppose first you have to check, this is your tester. So you check here, if the light is glowing, see here, the light is not glowing. If the light is glowing, means there is earth fault. Earth fault means the mica piece is broken or the element is touching to the body. But here it is correct. Again, it is not coming or it is not heated. So you see, how can you check the cords of the electric press? So this is the electric press, and I will show you how to check the electric press cord of a electric press. So you see here, for that only, for checking the cords of an electric press, and these are your testing leads. So these are your testing leads. So testing leads has two ends here, and here also two ends. So, and this is insulated because you may got shock. So it is insulated by black tape. This is the black tape. So it is covered by black tape. Suppose this is the cord. This is the cord of an electric press. So we have already discussed that this is one end. This is positive, negative, and this is your earth connection. Here also, in this side also, 3 points, the same things, that is your positive or leave wire, negative or neutral wire, and earth wire. Here also the 3 same points. Suppose we want to check whether the cord is okay or not. So for checking that, suppose I am checking here, you see here, this is the blue color end is connected to this test lamp. This is the test lamp. Suppose this is the test lamp, and you are connecting the ends. Suppose one end, this is the one end, and you are connecting. Suppose this is the one end of the cord. Suppose you are connecting the test lamp's leads. This test lamp leads has, you see here, I have got this, and this is one end, and this is the other end. Suppose you are putting this into one end, and the cord will test the leads today. So you know that this is the tester and this is the lead of the electric iron. So in this electric iron, you see that there are 3 points. One is your positive, negative, and earthing point. Here also 3 points. Now we will test whether this cord is okay or not. So you see here, this is the test lamp leads. So in one lead, I am putting to one end of the wire, and the other end is connected to the test lamp. You see here, this is the test lamp lead. So in these two test lamp lead, one lead is connected to one end of the wire and other end is connected to the other end. You see here, suppose if you are taking this end and you are inserting this, you see here the light is not glowing, means it is open end. Suppose I am putting here and the end you see here, now the light is glowing, means the wire is correct. Suppose if I connect to this end, you see here, it is opponent. So the opponent is not glowing. And if I will change the lead to that end, then automatically it will glow. You see here, this end, it is connected to one end, and now I am changing the testing lead and to other end. And you will see that there is a loose connections. See here, now the light is glowing, means the wire is correct. Okay, so this is about the testing of leads. So in testing of leads, you see here one end is connected to the leads of the testing lead one end and other connected to the other end. So what I have discussed earlier, that one is open circuit. So in the first case, when it is connected and the other is the test lamp, it is connected, it is not glowing, means that is open circuit fault. Okay, short circuit means if the both ends is connected, then it is short circuit. Similarly, earth fault. Suppose I have discussed earlier, suppose this is the electric press, and when it is on and if the current is coming and it is glowing, then you will know that there is the earth fault or it is connecting to the metal body. Similarly, suppose next is suppose the coil, inside that there is the coil. So you can test the coil by the testing leads, just like the connection of that end. Suppose one end is connected to this and other end is connected to the test lamp leads, and if it is not heated, not it is glowing, then you will know that the element is broken. So you have to change the element. Okay, so this is all about your repairing and finding the fault of the electric press. Now we will know about the correlations with other subjects. Suppose science, how it is correlated with the science subject. So when I am testing you, that showing you that this is the leads, so you will show that it is made up of the good conductor of electricity, and similarly this is the insulating part, so it comes under this science subject. Similarly, mathematics, how it is related with the mathematics. Suppose you want to find out the diameter of this wire, so you have to measure this wire and you will find the diameter of the wire or the area of cross section. Suppose if you are cutting, then you can find out the area of cross section. And similarly, next is your life skill. How? You see that when you are connecting, if you are not skilled enough, so that you will get shocked. So there is the life skills, because it is very dangerous. Electricity is very dangerous. So you can get your skill habit, life skill. So before that, you should be taken precautions, that you should be first, you should insulate yourself. See here, insulate yourself. खुद ही insulate होना है, because you have to wear these shoes and you will use the proper electrical instrument, just like your insulated combination plier or tester, like this way. This should be correct one, unless you will get shocked. Next is your self-earning, because our motto is learning, doing and earning. Suppose if you learn to repair, then automatically you can earn money. Similarly, social science, how it is related to social science. You see that suppose when you will repair something, and the society will know that he is a good electrical engineer or electrician, then automatically the people will respect you and they will come for repairing or anything else. Then next is art integrated learning. Nowadays we are giving emphasis on art integrated learning. You see that suppose when you are drawing one art, suppose this is one drawing. So in that, how it is integrated learning. Integrated means mixed, means how it is integrated to science, mathematics, life skills, social science, English. Suppose when you are expressing something, So automatically English is correlated with that. So it is called art integrated learning. So when you are doing this also, because how the students or how the people will know that this is the chord and this is thick one, this is the pin. So it is art integrated learning. Then is your skill development. Nowadays the government is giving emphasis on the skill development, because when you will be a skilled people, then you can earn and you can stay healthy and you can live good in your society. So these are all about your dismantling, and when you are tightening or you are fitting, that is reassembling, means you have to, what precaution you have to take it. One is no gap between wet plate and base plate. So already I have taken that your wet plate and base plate, in that there should not be gap. If there is gap, it means there is this screw are not tightened. So it will make a danger things and you can get shock or it may be loosened, so that the current will not come. Similarly, next, fitting should be tight enough. The fitting should be tight enough. Then insulate yourself. Then you see that there inside that there is your asbestos sheet and your mica sheets. So asbestos sheet should be in proper place. It should be fitted in proper place, so that the current will come and there will not be short circuit or you will not get shock. So this is all about your electric press. Thank you.